with this red garden wagon that we have here, a lot of our garden centers really like it because of the terrain for the tires where it can be used. Instead of just on concrete or pavement, you can actually go over stones, gravel, and all that. All the steel on it is hot dip galvanized. The plastic is very durable, that it will not crack. This is so that you can hook it up behind a golf cart or an ATV, and then the back has the rear end hitch and you can train them. So they come box shipped, where everything on the bottom is all put in the size of what the red crate would be. Looks like here in a box we can put 12 on a pallet.